I'm back. What's going on, you guys? Welcome to the Trucker Style Show on YouTube channel. Got the truck running next to me, so hopefully y'all can hear me. But we hit 1,000 subs today, you guys. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed, everyone that's giving this channel a shout out. Trucker B, Not Your Average Trucker, BOC Enterprise, everybody. I appreciate every last one of y'all, and I just wanted to say thank you. And yeah, y'all, I really appreciate everything y'all do. And everyone who comments, everyone who has hit that subscribe, that bell notification, everybody, even the people that dislike the videos, I appreciate y'all at least giving them a chance and watching them. Everyone who shared a video with one of your friends or anybody really. And yeah, I want to thank Amazon for giving me some content to put out to you guys, and the ability to help everyone. If you want to, say, get a contract with Amazon, or how it is running Amazon, the type of rates they have, and things like that. I want to thank, let's see, Convoy, DAT, Trucker's Edge, Cargo Bot Carrier, everybody. Let's see who else. JB Hunt 360 for giving us some of those loads and giving me the ability to haul a trailer with a giant dinosaur on it. That was pretty cool. Yeah, just thank you, everybody. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate every last one of y'all. And then also, y'all say these old trucks don't get good fuel mileage. Here's a clip of me running with a load that's 25,000, and tell me what those numbers are actually pretty accurate. That the ones they were reading on the on my dash, and they normally seem to be pretty accurate around the ballpark figure of my fuel mileage when I calculate it after I fill up every time. But check this out, you guys, and thank you again. Go ahead and hit that like button if you like this video, and let's keep growing, you guys. Keep the channel growing. Thank you. Have a good one. Keep the rubber side down, y'all.